So far, we've talked about object storage with S3. But what if you need a file system like the ones you're used to on your computer in the cloud? That's where Amazon EFS comes in. In this module, we're going to explore Amazon EFS, or Elastic File System. Amazon EFS is a fully managed file storage service that makes it easy to set up, scale, and manage file storage for your AWS workloads. By the end of this session, you'll understand what Amazon EFS is, how it works, its key features, and when to use it. Let's dive in. Amazon EFS is a scalable and fully managed elastic file system for Linux-based workloads. Think of it as a network file share that you can mount on multiple EC2 instances or even on-premises servers via Direct Connect or VPN. The elastic part means it automatically grows and shrinks as you add or remove files, so you only pay for the storage you actually use. No more worrying about provisioning storage in advance. Here's why Amazon EFS is important. Scalability. Amazon EFS automatically scales to meet your storage needs, from gigabytes to petabytes, without requiring manual intervention. Shared access. Multiple EC2 instances can access the same file system simultaneously, making it ideal for shared workloads. Fully managed. Amazon EFS is fully managed by AWS, so you don't need to worry about patching, updating, or maintaining the underlying infrastructure. For example, a software development team might use Amazon EFS to store and share code files, allowing multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously. Now let's take a closer look at how Amazon EFS works. Amazon EFS provides a file system that you can mount on your EC2 instances. This file system is accessible via the Network File System NFS protocol, which is a standard for file sharing in Unix and Linux environments. Here's what you need to know. File system. An Amazon EFS file system is a regional resource that can be accessed from multiple availability zones within a region. Mount targets. To access the file system, you create mount targets in each availability zone where you want to access the file system. These mount targets provide the network endpoints for your EC2 instances to connect to the file system. Access points. Access points are application-specific entry points into an EFS file system. They make it easier to manage access to shared datasets by enforcing user and application-specific permissions. For example, if you're running a web application, you might use Amazon EFS to store shared configuration files that need to be accessed by multiple EC2 instances. Now that we understand how Amazon EFS works, let's explore its key features. Scalability. Amazon EFS automatically scales to meet your storage needs, from gigabytes to petabytes, without requiring manual intervention. Performance. Amazon EFS is designed to deliver low latency performance, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. It offers two performance modes, General Purpose and Max I/O, allowing you to choose the one that best meets your needs. Durability and availability. Amazon EFS is designed for high durability and availability, with data stored redundantly across multiple availability zones. Security. Amazon EFS provides robust security features, including encryption at rest and in transit, IAM policies, and network security using VPCs and security groups. Cost-effective. Amazon EFS offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model with no upfront costs or long-term commitments. You only pay for the storage you use. Now let's explore some use cases where Amazon EFS can be particularly beneficial. Content management systems. Amazon EFS is ideal for content management systems, CMS, that require shared access to files such as WordPress or Drupal. Big data analytics. Amazon EFS can be used to store and share large datasets for big data analytics, allowing multiple EC2 instances to access the same data simultaneously. Machine learning. Machine learning workflows often require shared access to training data. Amazon EFS provides a scalable and high-performance solution for these needs. Web serving. Amazon EFS can be used to store shared configuration files, logs, and other data for web applications, ensuring that all instances have access to the same data. Development and testing. Development teams can use Amazon EFS to store and share code files, allowing multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously. To get the most out of Amazon EFS, here are some best practices to keep in mind. Choose the right performance mode. select the performance mode that best meets your needs. Use general purpose for most workloads and max I/O for workloads that require higher levels of throughput and operations per second. Use access points. Use access points to manage access to shared datasets. Access points make it easier to enforce user and application-specific permissions. Monitor and optimize costs. Use AWS Cost Explorer and AWS budgets to monitor your EFS usage and costs. Look for opportunities to optimize, such as moving infrequently accessed data to a cheaper storage class. Implement security best practices. Use IAM policies, encryption, and network security features to protect your data. Ensure that only authorized users and applications have access to your file system. Let's do a quick recap. Amazon EFS is a fully managed elastic file system that scales automatically and supports shared access across multiple EC2 instances. It's accessible via the NFS protocol, offers 2 performance modes, and is highly available and secure. Use it when you need shared file-level access for use cases like CMS platforms, analytics, machine learning, and collaborative development. And remember, best practices like choosing the right performance mode, securing access with IAM, and monitoring costs will help you get the most from EFS. That wraps up our discussion on Amazon EFS. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I will see you in the next video.